So I guess everybody missed the afternoon in the life of a locksmith here, because I got like 8 emails, you know, people asking me, hey man, can you do some more videos like that? So we will do some. The first thing we're going to do here next is we are going to Woodburn, New York. We're going to install 2 combination locks, and we got to take the guy's ice cream out of the refrigerator because I guess he was up for the weekend and left and shut the power off to the house and forgot that he had ice cream in the freezer, so he asked me if I could just throw that out. After that, we are going to a local car dealer. We have to do a 2012 Jeep Fobik Prox. That's the push-button start Jeep Grand Cherokees. After that, we're going to rekey a couple of just basic doorknobs for a unit that was sold that was just closed on, so we're going to rekey 2 locks for that. I asked him if he wanted to change it. He doesn't want to change it, so we're just going to rekey what's there. And then we have to go do a caravan key, I guess a Fobik. I'm not 100% sure. Just one of my local dealers called me and said they need an extra key. And it's already after 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so let's get rolling and we will get this stuff done. What do you think? Ice cream's gonna be nasty. Check the fridge first. Empty. Empty. Freezer. Empty. I don't know. Yuck. Okay, we should have some locks. Oh, Amazon special. Oh, nothing but the best there. I gotta send him a WhatsApp and see if he wants this garbage put in too. I'll be back with you here in a second. So we're not switching the Defiant and the Quick Set. What is that thing? Yeah, that's a Quick Set. Stupid key. So I don't know what they're doing with that, but I'm installing a combination lock, the Amazon special, right up here. And this is a vinyl door. And I am selling and installing a Locky M210 upstairs on the master bedroom closet. There you go, one perfectly good working combination lock. I'm going to set his code and we're going to move to the bedroom. So what I use on these cheap cardboard doors is the Makita with the bit. It actually comes with the jig, and you just set your jig, your depth to that right there. And if it's 1 3/4 door, you just, you set it a lot shallower and you take that insert out. But it cuts these cardboard doors a heck of a lot better. And there's one perfectly installed Locky M210. Works perfect every single time. So we took care of those 2 combination locks in Woodburn. We are now headed to Monticello to a car dealer. We're going to take care of what was it? The Jeep Grand Cherokee Fobik Prox. I think it's a 2012. I'll be back with you here shortly. So with this Jeep, since this is Prox, I just cut the emergency key for it. I always start with an OEM Jeep key, and let's program this. I guess we'll use the AutoProPad, I guess. So with these Jeeps, I'm gonna choose Chrysler Dodge Jeep. Gonna agree. First thing we have to do here is pop this button out of here. This button you just pull on, and this comes right out of here. Set that on the passenger side. Gonna select by vehicle. We're just gonna stick this new key in here for right this second. Select by vehicle. It's a Jeep. It's a Grand Cherokee. It's an 11 to 13. We're gonna choose Fobik first, because first thing you got to do is program. Actually, first thing we're going to do with this is read the pin 5716. We're going to program a blank key first. Switch this on. We're going to choose 5716. Going to click OK. Car makes some weird noises. Dang, it's terrible. Okay, it's got 4 keys. Our security light went out. Now we're going to click OK. We're going to back out. No. Now we're going to go to the fob keyless go. And we're going to synchronize the smart portion of it. Now it tells us to remove the start stop button, yada yada yada. Okay. 5716. Okay. Program success. Okay, now we can check this. That's good. And we just take our button, make sure it's right side up. This inserts right back into there where the key plugs in. And now if we step on the brake and we hit the button, this thing is a beast. It's the SRT8 with the track mode and everything else. The truck's a monster. Supercharged and everything, I guess. Anyway, we are done here. That's this key. And this is the original. Moving on. So we took care of that Jeep Fobik Prox. That went nice and smooth. I am headed to the other side of Monticello here. We're going to do this two lock rekey. Pretty basic, and I'll be back with you here in a few minutes. And if Quickset wasn't bad enough, they give you G-force. And they even put it in upside down. Number 1. Good. Number 2. Good. So we took care of the junk 2-lock rekey, G-force garbage. Anyway, we're moving on. I'm headed to Mountaindale. I have to go do a Dodge Caravan. I'm not 100% sure what year it is, but I'll be back with you here shortly. So this is going to be an easy one. This is just a 2009 Dodge Caravan. We're adding a key. We're going to put the key in, turn it on, Chrysler Dodge Jeep. We're going to agree. We're going to go by vehicle, Dodge, Caravan, 8 to 16, read pin, 2923, and program blank key, 2923. Okay. Didn't get much easier than this. This is done. Alright, done. Moving on. So we took care of that Caravan. That was quick and easy. It's 5:30. I'm going to head home. I appreciate you guys watching. And if you enjoyed this, leave a thumbs up.